Crisp Chatbot Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our Crisp Chatbot Review. In this video, we'll explore its features, who it's best for, and how it performs in real-world usage. If you're interested, links to Crisp's plans and more details are provided in the description below. Crisp is a versatile customer messaging platform with a built-in chatbot feature designed to improve customer engagement and streamline communication. Crisp's chatbot, part of their larger ecosystem, works seamlessly with their live chat, shared inbox, and CRM tools, making it a strong choice for businesses looking to centralize customer support and communication. The Crisp chatbot excels in automation, offering a no-code chatbot builder that allows users to create conversational flows for automating repetitive customer queries, lead qualification, and FAQs. It also supports hybrid interaction, meaning it can seamlessly transfer conversations to human agents when needed, ensuring a smooth customer experience. One of its standout features is the multi-channel support, which allows businesses to use the chatbot across websites, mobile apps, and even messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. This ensures consistent communication across all customer touchpoints. Crisp also integrates with other tools, including Slack, Zapier, and Salesforce, enabling businesses to optimize workflows and maintain context in customer interactions. Crisp offers knowledge base integration, which empowers the chatbot to pull answers directly from your FAQ content, making it smarter and reducing response times for common queries. Another highlight is the real-time dashboard, which gives insights into chatbot performance, customer satisfaction scores, and engagement metrics, allowing you to tweak and improve its efficiency. Crisp's chatbot is well-suited for small to mid-sized businesses that prioritize fast, automated customer interactions and lead generation. While it's powerful for lightweight tasks, it might lack some of the advanced AI features found in standalone chatbot solutions like machine learning or natural language processing. In conclusion, Crisp's chatbot is a fantastic addition to their customer messaging suite, offering ease of use, excellent integrations, and multi-channel capabilities. If you're looking for an affordable and efficient way to automate customer service while maintaining a human touch when necessary, Crisp is definitely worth considering. Check out the description for more details, and thanks for watching.